Inverses of trigonometric function. This is our topic for calculus today. Our class today is a calculus class for high school. I'm gonna solve one problem to see what I mean inverses of trigonometric function. All right, so before to continue, let me review some concepts before belong to this class. For example, the cosecant in this case, because our problem is this angle is an acute angle. Find the value of angle in degrees. So cosecant of this angle is equals, this is our data here, is equals 2 times square root 3 divided by 3. So how much is this angle in degrees, right? The cosecant, just for review this concept to remember, like this, of an acute angle in a right triangle is a radio. It's a radio. We explained it also this class before. It is the length, so it is the length of the hypotenuse this is in this way sometimes, divided by the length of the opposite leg. So write it this way. So for instance, we have a triangle right here. This triangle is like this one. Okay, write the values here. This triangle we are looking for the value for this angle. Okay, this is a right angle, and then just the concept. So cosecant of angle is equals hypotenuse divided by opposite leg. This is the concept that we have to memorize or remember to work in our class today, right? Let's go then and try to solve the problem. So C, for example, here, C is 2 times square root 3 divided by 3 is the cosecant. This is the cosecant. So this is the cosecant, right, of angle from a 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. All right, a special triangle, okay, or a 45 is some data here that we have to take a look. 45 and 90 degrees. It's a special triangle too. A special triangle. All right. Okay. See, and keeping in mind this data. Okay. We have to find actually the cosecant all those angles. All right. So keeping in mind this data, because I don't have enough space to keep the writing here. You can use the definition of the cosecant to solve it, the cosecant, and the following definition of triangle, the definition of the triangle to calculate the cosecant of calculate the cosecant of which angles we write it is 30 degrees, remember, 45 degrees, whereas and 60 degrees. Okay, right? So this is very important. So the first one, find, remember the concept, don't forget the concept that I give it to you. Cosecant of the 30 degrees. Okay, let's do, I'm gonna show here by triangle. Let me make a picture about the triangle like this. This is something like this. This is right here. This side is going to be 30 and 60 degrees. Okay, and this side is going to be square 3. This is number 1 this side, and this side is 2. So now here is cosecant is of 30 degrees. Cosecant 30 degrees is equals hypotenuse over opposite. You substitute this with this data here. Here you're gonna have 2. So this is 2 hypotenuse in this case, divided by the which one? By 1. So opposite here is by 1. So how much is here? It's equals 2. All right, equals 2. Next one. Find the cosecant of 45. Right, 45 degrees. So make a picture of our triangle. Let me do 45 degrees. Something like this. So here, this is the right side, right angle. This is right angle here, right angle. And then let me write the values here. This side is going to be square root over 3 now, and then here is 2, and then let's see. I need to write the 40 degrees. Yeah, 40 degrees. Here is gonna be square root number 2, and then here, let's switch it. Just write it 1 here. This is 1, and let's write let's write here, because I need to write it right here, the number here. So cosecant of 45 degrees. Yeah, this is 1. It's the same thing. See, it's 1. So it's equals hypotenuse divided by opposite. See, opposite. So how much is it here? Is you're gonna have a square root number 2 divided by what? Divided by 1. See, right, by 1. Okay, how much is this? So you have this 1 divided by 1 is the same answer here. So here is going to be equals square root number 2, right? Right there. You have it there. So next one, find the cosecant of 60, right? 60 degrees. 60 degrees. So right here, let's make a picture about the triangle. Something like this. Okay, I think it's better make a graph, right? So this is going to be the square angle, and then the values. This is 60 here, and then 30 degrees. 30 degrees, and then here now square root number 3, and this side number 2, and this side right number, yeah, we see enough. 1. Oh, okay, so here the cosecant for 60 degrees is equals hypotenuse divided by opposite. What is the opposite here? The opposite here is going to be 2 here. Hypotenuse is 2 right here. See, hypotenuse this side. The opposite is square root number 3. It's the opposite. So what is the answer here? So these we have to multiply. We have to multiply this. Multiply by square root number 3. We take it out here, number 3. And then what is the answer here? The answer is going to be, this is very important. We got it right here, the answer. So this is going to be 2. Remember, square root number 3, number 3. See, this is the answer. Remember the problem that we are looking for the value of this angle. See? Actually, this is the answer. Okay? So since the conclusion here, since cosecant of this angle that we were looking for, right, is equals this 1, 2 times square root number 3 divided by 3. Okay, the value of this angle is equals how much? How much? Is 60, right? Is 60 right here. Very important, right? Is 60. So here is 60. We prove with a difference, right? With different cosecant of all different angles, right? This one, this second one, the 30, 45, and 60. Remember that we explained before this graph. I explained in some concept. Just this, you need to review the video and see why we find the cosecant for all these 3 angles to get the answer that we are looking for. All right. So thank you so much. It was the inverses of trigonometric function. Just one.